I want you to have a great maternity photo shoot. And it starts with your maternity photographer. That's why in this video, I want to give you 3 things to look for in your maternity photographer before you book them. What's going on to all of my married expecting parents? I am Jaylin Dorsey-Mitchell, an all-inclusive maternity photographer out of Detroit, Michigan. And in this video today, I want to give you the 3 things. And I'm a maternity photographer for myself. So I'm kind of spilling the beans, but I want to give you the 3 things you should look for when you are booking your maternity photographer, right? The first thing you need to look for is where they are located. Cannot stress this enough. A lot of people probably don't know where their maternity photographer is located. They get super excited, and then they try to book them. They realize they're not where they are at. And although you can fly and drive, which is highly suggested, we have a baby moon offer that we are getting ready to develop that includes travel and transportation for all of our married expecting parents. If you are going to be making travel arrangements and et cetera for your maternity photographer to do your maternity photo shoot, it's very important that you find a maternity photographer that's best for you and make those arrangements with them so you guys can have a great experience. The second thing you want to look at is how much weight they take off your plate. And I like to tell all of my married expecting parents this is very, very important that you book a maternity photographer that takes the most weight off your plate. Don't book a maternity photographer that has you doing all the work. That's not good. You don't want a maternity photographer that has you doing all the work. You want a maternity photographer that can provide things like the hair, the makeup, the wardrobe, right? Give you an album, give you beautiful images, build you a set, build you an idea, create you an idea. That's the maternity photographer you want to rock with because you are already busy. You and your husband are busy working full time, or as an entrepreneur corporately, you're busy. So it's very, very, very important that you focus on enjoying this moment, having a stress-free experience, and enjoying the bond with you and your husband. The third thing I want you to look out for before you book a maternity photographer is I want you to see how are they with their clients. All right, a lot of maternity photographers may be transactional or they may be looking for a personal connection. And with a moment as serious as this for you and your husband, it's very important that you guys book a maternity photographer that wants to develop a personal connection with you. What does that look like? They have a pre-session consult with you before you even book with them. They have beautiful testimonials from other people. They respond to comments well on their Instagram. What they post on their stories. What vibe do you get from them? It's just such a special moment for you and your husband. It's very important that you guys do not book someone that's just looking to have another paycheck. You don't want somebody that's transactional. You want somebody that's actually going to take care of you. So with all that being said, I want to help you do a great maternity photo shoot. And it starts with also having a great idea to give to your photographer. That's why I want to give you my Maternity Idea Vault, which includes 900 plus maternity photo shoot ideas inside of it. All you have to do is click the link in the description and I'll send it right over to you. So you want to have a good maternity photo shoot. Well, let me be honest with you. It starts with your photographer. That's why I want to give you 3 things to look out for before you book your maternity photographer. Number 1, you need to figure out where are they located. You want to book a maternity photographer that you are actually able to get to, right, through flight or driving because you are pregnant, and that's something you have to consider also when scheduling your maternity photo shoot. The second thing you want to look for is how much weight do they take off your plate. Let me just give you a quick note. You always want to book a maternity photographer that gives you your time back, that provides the most stuff, hair, makeup, wardrobe, ideas, set, background. Book the maternity photographer that takes the most weight off your plate. And the third thing to look at when you are booking a maternity photographer is how they interact with others. How loving are they? Is this going to be a transactional relationship or a personal relationship? And I understand you're booking them, so it's transactional. But you want to find a maternity photographer that cares about you. You can do that by looking to how they respond in their comments, looking at the type of stuff that they post on their page and their story. Make sure you guys' values align. Look at the testimonials. And also just get a feel for them. If they have a pre-session consult, which shows that they want some type of personal connection with you, that will allow you to see what type of maternity photographer they are, and it will allow you to book the right maternity photographer so you won't feel like you wasted your money.